Hey there. So in this course, I will teach you introduction and basics of Python. So next, let's see what other things include in this course. So in section 1, learn Python programming language from scratch, lectures, installing Python and PyCharm, tuples, lists, files, dictionaries, booleans and sets, if, elif and else, while loops and for loops, function and function argument. Let's make a web app for clearing our concept part 1, and let's make a web app for clearing our concept part 2. Basic to advanced Python features are included. And section 2, ethical hacking using Python, and lectures about writing a network scanner, writing a vulnerability scanner, writing a Wi-Fi network jammer, writing a MAC changer, custom anonymity, writing an ARP spoofer and DNS spoofer, bypassing HTTPs, replacing downloads and injecting codes included, writing a file, intercept and packet sniper, writing a different malware, backdoors, keylogger, packing, writing a crawler, writing a Python fuzzer, website hacking using Python full complete. And inside section 3, Python and Kali Linux lectures, installing Wing IDE on Kali and Wing IDE overview, writing a TCP client in Python, writing a UDP client in Python, writing a TCP server in Python, developing an application like Netcat. And section 4, last part, is real world example of hacking with Python and Kali Linux demonstration. So I hope you guys liked it. So thanks for watching.